Hi fam, thank you so much for stopping by. This is React with Grace. You are highly welcome. All right. So fam, in today's reaction, I will be reacting to Angelina Jordan. All right. So you guys already know that Angelina is an amazing girl. She's so talented. She's a star. Like this girl, she does amazing. She has a golden voice. She's in fact, she's beautifully made, honestly speaking. So I'm gonna be reacting to her song titled Easy on Me. All right, so this is an Adele cover live from studio. So this particular song is actually a cover done by Angelina Jordan. Okay, so let's listen to this together, and I'm also going to be leaving the link of this video on my description box. Please do well to support and subscribe to Angelina Jordan's YouTube channel. Listen to her song, support her. Okay, she deserves all the love she could get. Okay, so let's do this together. All right.
There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in and go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
This is beautiful.
There ain't no room for our things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our ways. You can deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you both first. Now I give up and go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me, and no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. In the highest hopes, but I know right now it probably doesn't even show. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, I didn't get the chance to to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
Guys, Angelina Jordan is in fact I don't know which other word to describe this lady. Like, whether she's doing a cover or she's singing her own song or anything, this girl always, put all her best. Like, she's a born star, she's a star, like she sings so well. Looking at her, simply amazing. Like, Angelina Jordan is the best. She has been singing right from when she was small till her adult age. She's the best, she's the best, and she does, like, she perfectly delivers. Like, any song she handles like it, like she takes it to another level. Like, this is so beautiful. What I just watched now is amazing and it's beautiful. It's so beautiful, it's amazing, looking so simple, so sweet. Like, Angelina Jordan is so beautiful, she's so simple, she's so cute. Like, her voice so golden. This is amazing, this is amazing. What do you think about this on the comment section? And please don't forget to subscribe to Angelina Jordan's YouTube channel. Support her, she deserves it. Honestly, this girl has been singing right from when she was little girl to her other adult age. She deserves all the love, she deserves all the support. Her music needs to circulate the whole world. People need to hear her more. Like, okay, all right, so let's support her. Thank you if you watched up until this moment. Thank you if you watched up until this moment. I really appreciate. And also, you can support this channel by subscribing and also sharing my video, and also you can super thanks this video, and also you can join my membership. That is the best way you can support React with Grace. Okay, thank you so much for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.